Code-3 introduces a new siren concept designed to make the officer's job much easier and much less stressful. The control head is designed to be as easy to understand, operate, and program as a car stereo. It's divided into 3 distinct zones: red background, sirens and primary lighting; blue background, auxiliary lighting and other equipment functions; amber background, traffic direction or warning function. Each zone is set up with the right size buttons that are simple to read and uniquely shaped for the most important tasks. Each button is backlit and also changes color when selected. The backlit brightness can be adjusted in the vehicle like the dashboard dimmer switch so that you have the appropriate lighting for your eyes. PA microphone volume can be adjusted by the officer should the need arise. The Z3 Siren and switch functions are all programmable and can be set up in almost any conceivable configuration to make the job of turning on needed lighting and siren features as easy as changing radio stations on a car radio. The siren functions can even be changed from the car's horn ring, should that be desired.
The configuration software for the Z3 Siren is one of the aspects I believe administrators and fleet managers are going to enjoy.
The Z3 can be entirely programmed using our intuitive and quick configuration software that is painlessly loaded onto any PC.
I was very impressed by the Z3. It gave us many options where I can configure the cars how I wanted to as fleet manager, different shifts, detectives, administration, and it was also very user-friendly.
Once loaded and configured, the program is then downloaded to the amplifier in a matter of seconds using a USB connection.
The ability to program all your control heads the same for all your fleet vehicles would make it much easier on officers when they have to get into a car they're not familiar with on what exactly the buttons they'll be pushing. The tones through the siren, wired through the horn will all be the same.
In addition, this configuration setup can be saved and downloaded to multiple amplifiers in minutes, making the programming of multiple sirens quick, easy, and trouble-free. The configuration software is so simple to use that a full siren can be configured in less than 5 minutes. All of the following features can be quickly configured using the software: programmable 3-level slide switch with a programmable 4th position, 8 programmable auxiliary buttons, 2 of which can be programmed for plus or ground, 5 programmable siren buttons, program different tones for each button if desired, arrow stick functions, program different flash patterns for each direction and the warning flash pattern, load management.
The load management function on the Z3 has the potential to, quite honestly, save our department money. From possible battery replacements, it cuts off the Z3 at a specified voltage which you can set, or an over voltage to protect the speaker for the siren, and that's particularly attractive to our department.
The load manager software allows agencies to turn off different functions within the siren box to save power on the vehicles if the need arises.
While the officer's on scene, we never know how long that officer is going to be on that scene, and what we don't want that officer to do is be thinking about his car and thinking about whether his battery is going to go dead or whether the vehicle is unsecure, what's going to happen to his vehicle. We always want that officer to be thinking about what they're doing while they're on a scene and not worry about their vehicle or their emergency equipment.
Code-3 kept installation and maintenance in mind when designing the Z3. Installation is very clean and neat.
The installation of the Z3 is very easy for installers to install. All the connectors are facing on one side of the Z3, and they're specific to what type of connector, making it easy for installers to only plug in the specific cable that goes in that connector.
And one of the things that I saw that I liked a lot was it comes with all the instructions built right into the software. So boom, you can bring it back up. There's an easy way going through it. I like that.
In the unlikely event that something would happen in the trunk or officers move their equipment, They could also quickly look at it and see which connector may be damaged or missing or disconnected, and it would be easy for officers to see that aspect also and maybe troubleshoot some of their own features.
The Z3 installation and maintenance is, in short, effortless.
When speaking with the officers and the fleet manager, we would definitely outfit our whole fleet with the Z3 Siren, just for the simple fact that it has all the features and configurability that we need for our use within our police agency.
It's imperative in an emergency situation that the equipment on the car, the lights and the siren, not just function, but they meet or exceed the needs of that emergency run. And with our experience so far, we feel the Z3 has done that.
Easy to program and set up, easy to install, and easy to maintain. Easy to use. The new Z3 Siren. It's designed